get to Corsica, we took a ferry from the port of Toulon, and this is what it's like parking inside of the ferry. We took the overnight boat ride for 12 hours, and these were the accommodations. Pretty simple, but hey, it was surprisingly comfortable. The next morning, we woke up to this beautiful view of Bastia, Corsica. And here's what it was like driving out of the ferry. Here we are arriving at a small village near the college town of Corte, which is right in the heart of the island. We had a friendly tour guide to show us around the village. Corsica is known for its many small villages, each one with its own unique charm. The people of Corsica are very proud of their culture and their traditions, and any visitor to the island should be respectful of this way of life. We stayed at a small studio in this beautiful campground with riverside views and incredible mountain scenery. We also made a new friend here. next morning, we made our way down the east coast of the island. Here we are arriving at Santa Giulia Beach, with views to rival any popular tourist destination. After a 2.5-hour drive, we made it down to Bonifacio, which is at the very southern end of the island. We were blown away by the cliffside views and the intense blue of the Mediterranean Sea. We walked along the port of Bonifacio, but since we went in the off-season, many of the stores and restaurants were closed. But we didn't have to fight the crowds for the views. Here we are in Porto Vecchio, a popular seaside town on the east side of Corsica. It was a little more challenging to find vegan options in Corsica, but we found a restaurant that had this amazing vegan sushi, and we also ordered a veggie Provençal pizza with no cheese. One of my favorite spots on the island was Palombaggia, an amazing beach with red rocks, exotic trees, and crystal clear waters. We spent our last morning in Corsica unwinding in the countryside, taking in the views, walking by the creek, and playing with our new friend. It was bittersweet leaving Corsica. I definitely want to come back. But we still had one more adventure to go on this trip, Marseille.